Hi everyone, hope you're doing well. Today I'm gonna share with you 5 YouTube channels that I think are great if you are making techno. These are channels that are mainly focused on Ableton Live, and these are also like kind of lesser known YouTube channel. I just wanted to share the one that are a little bit less known. You know, you probably already know like the big names already. So yeah, so these channels are not in any particular order of preference. I just put them randomly. Some of them I discovered them just recently, some of them long time ago. Actually quite a few of them recently. That's why I wanted to make this video, because I feel like there is a lot of new channel related to techno music production who pop up recently, so I just wanted to put a bit of light on them. Hope you find some good new discovery, and let's start with the first one. So the first one is Mordio. I've been following him for a while now. I really love his way of putting things. He's mainly focusing on this hypnotic techno. If you like all this kind of texture evolving ambience, I always discover new creative techniques that I haven't thought before and always get inspired. So yeah, worth checking him out. Second one is Marcin Rajski. Again, I've been following him for a couple of time now. He's mainly focusing on industrial techno, art techno, and again using Ableton, and he uses Serum as well. I really like because he really goes in depth. He really takes the time to explain things. So yeah, if you're into that techno subgenre, go check him out. Really good. Next one is called Weltsound. So it's a channel I subscribed recently. I've known it actually. I've seen a few of these videos already before in the past, and it's really great if you are more into that modern sounding of techno, either like big time or hard techno. He cover all of that side of music production, and again he pretty cool idea and tips you can grab from him. So yeah, go check him. Next one is called Hypnotic Techno Production, so I guess you know about what it is. This one I've been popping up into my YouTube homepage recently a lot, and again pretty nice if you do this kind of deep hypnotic techno. It's really well explained, some good tips as well. He's covering groove, sound design, arrangement, all of these kind of good things. Right, next one is LotusTune Academy. So this is not really like techno, it's more like melodic house, organic house, all this kind of stuff, but obviously there is a lot of similarity with classic techno, and there is a lot of tips that you can grab from him and apply to techno. So yeah, worth checking as well. And finally the last one, Dafresh, which is actually an established techno music producer who is doing techno tutorial, and this is super great especially if you are doing melodic techno. In one of my previous videos I already mentioned it and share one of his tips that I found out on his channel. So yeah, definitely worth following him. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Just a quick video, but just to share a little bit some cool YouTube channel I think this worth following, and see you for the next one. Bye bye guys.